Introduce highlight features or overview summary of BTLMEMO Dashcam, 2.5K Dashcam, front and rear, with 64GB MicroSD card. There are key features include 2.5K plus 1080p dual recording. The front dashcam adopts an amazing 2.5K resolution and the rear camera 1080p resolution to capture your driving journey. It can help you read key details such as road signs and license plates. To reduce blind spots, its front wide angle is 170 degrees and the rear wide angle is 160 degrees. This helps you preserve and present evidence in case of unexpected situations such as collisions. Loop recording and G-sensor. The dashcam has a loop recording feature that automatically overwrites the oldest unlocked files when your memory card is full. Equipped with an intelligent gravity sensor, in the event of a collision, the dashcam will automatically lock the currently recorded footage as evidence. Locked files will not be overwritten by loop recording. We give you a 64GB card for continuous recording. Excellent night vision capability. The front and rear dual recording driving recorder has a large f2.0 aperture and 6 layers of glass, wide dynamic range, or WDR technology, which automatically balances exposure in extreme dark scenes, achieving excellent night vision capability and obtaining clear videos both day and night. Compact and easy to install. The dashcam adopts a mini and lightweight design, size 3.4 x 2.0 x 1.4 inches, occupying very little interior space and not obstructing your line of sight while driving. Easy to install, easy to set up, plug and play, very convenient. Even first-time users need not worry. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.